Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna create this look. It's your girl Jocelyn or whatever. So I'm using the MorpheXJamescharles palette using this dark blue right here, this shade, you'll see it, that shade, and we're gonna put that on our crease. But first, I'm blending it out. Then I'm gonna show you my concealer that I use is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cool Medium. You know, so that's the concealer that I'm gonna use, or I already did that, but I'm gonna blend it out. And now I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills double-sided brush, and this one came with the Subculture palette, but I'm gonna use the flat side and get that dark blue onto my lid, and I'm gonna pack that on. As you can see, we're just gonna pack that on because I feel like you get more pigmentation when you just pack it on and then blend it out. So we're gonna start with a darker color, of course, because we're trying to create a cut crease. And here I'm just kind of like, doing it like round shape to my eye. So basically you just kind of go with your eye, just like that. And then I'm going to take my Morphe 506 brush, and this is a small fluffy brush, and we're going to take that shade right there. It's like a turquoise, like a bright turquoise on the MorpheXJamescharles palette. That's the one I'm going to be using. And then we're going to kind of blend that dark blue out, and we're going to go like in circular motions, like kind of, try to blend that so it don't look harsh. We're trying to blend very precisely. We're not trying to have no harsh um like lines and stuff like that. So here I'm trying to blend it out and just kind of keep blending and to your like desire, like you're satisfied, well, until you're satisfied, honestly. So here I kept taking it, I just took it a little higher than, and then I'm gonna go back with that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, but with this time we're gonna use the fluffy side of it, and we're just gonna blend that turquoise out. So here I'm just kind of blending it, gotta make sure it's nice and blended, just like that. Then we're gonna use my Morphe 562 brush, and this one is like very skinny and very precise, like to get in the crease. And we're gonna take that shade, those two shades that you see me taking is gonna be a black and the dark blue that we used in the beginning, and we're gonna put that into our crease. Since we already blended everything out, we're just trying to give it more depth to that way, so that way it looks more like bold. When you cut the crease, you want to get that nice, depth to the look, just like that. See how it looks a little darker now, and it looks very blended. That's what we're trying to, that's the effect that we're trying to go for. Now we're going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it's a very full coverage concealer. I haven't been using this one for a very long time, but we're going to use this, and that shade is Light Sand. And then I'm going to take my Morphe 213 brush, and this brush right here that you see is a very small flat brush and very precise. Like, as you can see, look how small it is. And I love using this one just to cut my crease very good, because when I use my Morphe 124 brush, that's another flat brush that I use in some other videos, but that one is a little bit more longer and a little bit more thicker, but whatever works for you best. But I like to use this one. That's like one of my favorite brushes, because you could use that one like for any little thing. Like, you could cut the crease, you could add different shimmery colors onto your eyelids, getting like putting highlight on your brow bone and stuff like that. So I love this brush. I really recommend it if you don't have this. So now I'm going to be taking this flat brush, and it's just a flat brush that I have, and we're going to take that shade right there, that baby blue shimmering color, and we're going to put that and pack that onto our eyelids, as I'm doing right now. And the key here is like blending and packing on the colors, and kind of, just kind of taking your time with it. So this is how it's going to look like. It looks very cute. And we're going to go back with that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that we used in the beginning, and we're going to take that dark blue shade that we use in the beginning as well. And we're going to put that on our outer corners, you know, to deepen it up a little bit. So yeah, and then we're going to use the other side of the brush of the one that we used in the beginning to blend out that turquoise. Now we're going to be using the J-Cat glitter, and this is in the silver one that I have, and we're going to, you know, basically use this holographic glitter. And then look how pretty it is. I mean, it's very stunning. I love it. You know, we're going to put that one above our crease, like, you know, how the other eye is. And we're going to be using the dual clear glue. I love using this glue. I mean, I won't use any other glue, eyelash glue or anything. I use this for eyelashes, and I use it to put my glitter on. And we're going to put that just like that. And I'm using my Morphe 217 brush, and it's a very angled brush. This brush right here is actually used for eyeliner, but I'm gonna be using it for glitter. So today we're gonna be using my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 140, and we're just gonna put that on a flat brush and put it all over our face, just like that. I'm giving you guys the slow motion, you know, because I got a lot of DMs on my Instagram saying if I could just post it on YouTube too, but luckily I still had it saved on my phone, this video. So after that, we're going to be using my 444 brush, and this brush right here is like a very jumbo, sturdy brush. I like to use like to buff out my foundation very flawlessly. And I'm kind of dabbing onto my skin, like tapping it, like, you know, because I don't want to move the foundation. I want it to stay on as much and get the full coverage, you know, because we're trying to get that glam look, you know. So yeah, we're just dabbing it here, or tapping it, my bad. But yeah, and then after that, we are going to be using my Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Cool Medium, the one that I used in the beginning to put all over my eyelid. We're going to be using that under our eyes, as you can see, and I'm kind of just putting it all over my under eyes because, you know, we need to hide them bags. We don't want to look ugly. So we're using this beauty blender. It's angled. I like to use this one because it gets like really into your under eyes, and you know, like I said, we're tapping it here, you know, we're tapping our makeup away, you know, we ain't swiping here. But anyways, yeah, so we're just, you know, dabbing dabbing, what the hell today, oh my god, this is why I don't do voiceovers. But anyways, we're tapping here, and yeah, so we're just gonna, you know, blend that good or whatever. And yeah, just kind of just blend it. Blending is key. Remember that. Blending. We're going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shade Cinnamon, and this is what I'm doing right now. I am contouring. I'm contouring. You know, I don't really do this, but you know, I had a contour because I'm freaking pale right now. I really am. Like with this quarantine and all, I have not been getting any sunlight, you know, but it's all good. We got makeup, you know, makeup can do like wonders. So here I'm still, you know, like contouring and shit. We trying to look like Kim Kardashian or whatever, but it's gonna take a lot of contouring. But yeah. So after that, we're gonna be taking our Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And I've been loving this setting powder lately. I mean, I don't really use it. I have it, but I used to use this as my like holy grail kind of setting powder, because I used to use my Laura Mercier too. But that one feels very drying at the moment for me because like the weather's changing and stuff. But yeah, I'm using this one and I love it because it just sets everything without feeling so stiff, you know, because I don't like that stiff feeling on my face. As it is, makeup already makes you feel some type of way like on your face. So when you put more like drying products on your face, It's just kind of like, But anyways, I still love my Laura Mercier, you know, but it's just not at the moment for me because my skin is acting up. Like, it's really dry lately. But, yep, that's how you're supposed to look, you know? You look like that. If you look like that, you're doing something right. If you know, watching my video and trying to do it at the same time. But anyways, now I'm going to be bronzing because, you know, it ain't Jocelyn without no freaking bronzing. And I'm sorry, I do not have the freaking name to that. As you can see, it's broken. All my bronzers lids are broken. And I freaking hate it because I've been getting a lot of freaking, you know, like, what kind of bronzer do you use in your Instagram videos? You know, but I don't remember it. Like, I really don't. Like, I just, when I buy stuff, I just, if it's stunning and it's highlighted and it's cute as hell, like, I'm gonna just buy it. And I don't really remember the name of that one, but a bronze, that's, you could use any bronzer, honestly. And I love this one because it has, like, at the same time, it bronzes you, but it gives you a nice baked highlight. And I love it. Now we're going to be using this little angled eyebrow brush that I have as an extra. And we're going to be using our Morphe X James Charles palette, of course, in that dark blue that we used in the beginning. But we're going to put that on our, you know, lower lash line. And we're going to, like, blend that really good. You know, we're trying to deepen it up, make them eyes look stunning, you know, snatched. And then, you know, I'm doing the same thing to the other side. You know, kind of just putting it on there. After that, we're going to be using my fluffy brush. It's not brand or anything, but I got them from Ross. And it's like, you know, these little unicorn set, you know, but they're cute, you know. And I'm basically just wiping off the translucent powder that I had on after we baked. And yeah. So yeah, I'm here. I'm just kind of looking, making sure everything is good. As you can see, that's how it should look like. It looks very cute, very stunning. In person, it looked way better. Trust me, it looked way better. And then we're gonna be using my Milani Sun Glow highlight. It's very bomb. I love it. And we're gonna use our little fan brush that I have, and I don't spray anything on it. I just kind of just go in with it. Then I just spray myself at last with the setting spray. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you. You a real one. But this is the final look. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And the shade that I use for my lips is actually by Italia in the shade brown. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.